In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use WarriorPlus to make money with affiliate marketing. So I'm going to explain step by step how you can use the WarriorPlus affiliate marketing program or platform to make money with affiliate marketing. So in case you don't know what exactly affiliate marketing is the process by which an affiliate earns a commission for marketing another person's or company's products. So basically what you can do is find products on this platform from other people and companies, and you can promote their products with your own link, and you can then earn a commission of that sale. So let's say that someone goes ahead and buys this product and I can earn a 10% commission, and this will cost $100. Basically how this works, and you guys get the point, is that you will earn 10% from those $100, and that means that per sale you can make 10 bucks if that would be the case. So basically what you can do is create an account on WarriorPlus. You can go to affiliate and then click on offers. They will show you this entire list of products that you can start promoting for free. It's not going to cost you anything. You do need some patience because you need to request approval in order to promote it, but once you've got that link, you can use it to sell and earn commissions. So basically how this works is that you can go to the marketplace and you can then find offers. So all of these are products that you can start promoting. So you can also see their rankings. So if it has this sign, like this vector, that means that it's a top 1% vendor. He also has 8 featured offers. This guy, top 1 vendor. This guy, top 5% vendor. So you can see if those vendors, aka the person that has made that product, has actually sold a lot of stuff in the last couple of months, or even like his entire account on WarriorPlus. But what you can now do is find an offer that you want to start promoting. So you can simply start clicking on some of the products and find out if it's interesting, if it's something that you would like to start promoting. If it is the case, then you can click on request approval right there. You can then add notes if you want to, or click on request offer. And what I've just done is that I've just sent out a message to this guy right there. If he approves me, I will get my own link so that I can start promoting his offer. Now on WarriorPlus, what you can do is simply click on products right there. You'll then see how many products come with one specific product, if that makes sense. So on WarriorPlus, you've got all of these offers, but within these offers, there are different programs available. So the standard version of this specific product will cost someone 30 bucks, and you will earn a 50% commission, and that's $15, all right? But you can also see all of these, and these are upsells. So when someone goes ahead and buys this product right there, the vendor, aka okay, he's gone, but the person from that product, it should be, this guy right there, is going to try and get these people to buy these specific upsells so that he can make more money. And the good part about that is that you can also make more money. You can see that when someone buys this, you'll earn $15. Let me just add up all of that. Then next up, you will earn $14.50 if someone buys that. Then another $18.50. Then another $23.50. So you can see that this just keeps adding up. We'll do it like this to make it a bit easier. But you can see you make a lot of money with just one sale. So if someone actually goes ahead and buys all of these plans right there, you can earn $315 from one single sale. It's probably not going to happen because not everyone is going to upgrade, but the people that do upgrade are going to make you even more money, which is great. And that's what I like about WarriorPlus as a platform as well. But on WarriorPlus, what you can do is simply filter, and you can also get some stats about specific offers. So you can see the release date, you can see how many times this has been sold, you can see the conversion rate, the visitors value, the average amount of sale, and the refund rate. In my opinion and from experience, you want to make sure to pay attention to the refund rate. If the refund rate is way too high, if it's up to like 10 or even like 15, then that means that the product, for example, this one right there, it does have 10,000 sales though. So you want to pay attention to that too. Let's say that it only has 500 sales and the refund rate is 13%. You just know that it's not a good product. With 10k sales though, it's a bit different because it has been sold so many times that there can be all sorts of reasons why the refund rate is a bit higher than usual. But you can see this one 100 times and it has a 3% refund rate. Still not too bad, but yeah, you want to pay attention to that. So for my experience and my recommendation would be to go with low refund rate, because otherwise you're gonna lose your commissions. And make sure that even if it does have a pretty high refund rate, like the 13%, where is it? It used to be, yeah, right there. Make sure that it has a lot of sales. So this has been sold 10,000 plus times. So this right there is not too bad. You can also see the average amount of sale. So every single time this product gets sold, the average amount of sale is $26. Now, if I just click on this, you'll see that that first product is probably cheaper. There we go, it's only 17. But the average sale is 26, meaning that people go ahead and buy all of these upgrades as well, which means that the average amount of sales goes up, which is cool. But that's pretty much how the WarriorPlus platform works and how you can use it to make money with affiliate marketing. So once you sign up, you can go to the marketplace, you can find all of these offers, you click on one of them, you can find out how much money you'll make by the commissions. It's not loading, and there we go. Click on products, find out how much your pay will be, and then you can click request approval, and you'll then get your link. I forgot to mention that you can also check out the sales page by clicking right there, and you can do that for every product. As you can see, it's all showing up, and you can then see that specific sales page. All right, now that's pretty much it. That's pretty much how you can make money with the WarriorPlus platform and affiliate marketing. And if you want to find out how you can promote these products for free, you can click on the video on the screen right now, and then I'll see you there.